Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Oscar Pistorius trial as the prosecution case begins to wind down with Mike Cavaluzzi. Stay with us. Well, we had a very interesting week so far in the Oscar Pistorius case, as you will recall, for those of you who have been following the case. Oscar Pistorius is charged with killing his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp, on Valentine's Day of 2013. He shot her through the closed door of their bathroom. He alleges that he thought she was an intruder and shot without knowing that she was in the bathroom. He thought that she was gone. And the prosecution alleges that he shot her on purpose and killed her after a jealous argument. So we're going to go through some of the recent testimony that's been happening this week. Some of it has been very interesting. There's been a lot of testimony about text messages between